In this video, I'm going to show you how to add debt to YNAB. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the left-hand side over here, and you want to click on Add Account. When you do that, click on Add an Unlinked Account, and then from here, you want to give it a nickname. I'm just going to name it Debt over here, and then here where it says what type of account are you adding, you want to click on that. Scroll down, and then here where it says mortgages and loans, you'll be able to see there's a bunch of different debts you can have. Now, of course, select the one that's relevant, or if none of these are relevant, you can just click on other debt over here, and of course, name it whatever it is, so you can just categorize it and know what it is later. Over here, you have to type in your current account balance. So for me, I'm just going to do 10K right now over here, and then you have to put in your interest rate. So of course, you have to do whatever you have. I'm just going to do 7% here for this tutorial, even though it may not make sense. And then here you have to also put in the monthly payment required by your lender. So I'm just gonna do $100 over here, and then I'm gonna click on next. Now here you can go ahead and also pair a category, which is of course optional. So if you want to pair your loan with a category, you can go ahead and do that and then select your categories, but I'm not gonna do that right now. I'm just going to skip it over here, and there we go. It's gonna say success, and if I click on done now, as you can see here on the left hand side, I can see my loan, and this is basically the debt, which is a 10K debt. Now if I click on it right now, as you can see here, it's gonna show me the remaining balance, interest rate, the minimum payment, and then the payoff dates, stuff like that. And then over here you can basically track this as well. You can update balance, add activity, etc. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.